Hi, in front of me is Nokia 2.4 and today I would like to show you how you can customize keyboard's theme on this device. Firstly, open Settings, then scroll all the way down and tap on System. Then Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard and your current keyboard, in my case Gboard. Go into Theme and click at the plus sign under My Themes. Over here you can pick a photo, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're done, click Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right and tap down. Over here you can click on the switcher next to keyboards to turn them on or off and click Apply. Now when I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!